property in Muko. This is the property. What we have here is 3-bedroom flats, and the place is out of the Muko. As you can see, this is the entrance, this is the gates, this is the compound with enough space that can see accommodates. If you wanted to build 2 bedrooms, or you wanted to build two and 1 bedroom, even 3 units, you still have enough space to do this. And this is the frontage, this is the compound, and this is the main entrance of the room. Here we have, this is the sitting rooms with the POP. As you can see it, this is the sitting room, and we have dining. This is dining. Even the size of the dining is more than 12 by 12. As you check it, we have a bigger space for the dining. Okay, and this is a balcony. This balcony leads to kitchen. See a nice spacious kitchen. As you see it, then this is store. This is the toilets. These toilets for the visitor, and this is one of the rooms. And this is the master bedroom, very spacious. This master bedroom, see the tiles, and this is the toilet for the master bedroom. Come with the heater. As you can see, it's enough space. And these are another rooms. Yeah. This is the third room, and this is the toilet. The toilet is having, as you can see, it is well built. And the balcony, there's an exit from the kitchen, whereby if you have a visitor, they still make a provision for the guest room at the back. All the facility is, there's borehole, and this area they just bought new transformer. You have lights. I can say you have light for 16 hours in this area, in this community. And this is the back of the house. There's the back, so you can see it. Buying of this property, I can assure you, you don't need to fear of demolition. It's in out of the Muko Sunf.